Hey everyone, today we are talking about a massive opportunity for 2026 tech graduates, an entry level software development engineer known as SDE role at Amazon. If you're passionate about coding, building scalable system and want to start your tech career with one of the old largest biggest company, then video is for you. We'll cover everything from job responsibilities to eligibility, required skills, and how to stand out. Let's intro about the company. Amazon is a global technology and e-commerce giant known for its customer-centric culture and innovative product. Amazon leads in cloud computing as AWS, large-scale distribution systems, e-commerce platforms, streaming, and smart devices, impacting millions of users worldwide. Now let's go through the link present in the description. Let's see job title and overview about it. Yeah, the job title and overview about it. The position is Software Develop Engineer 1, Amazon University Talent Acquisition, Company Amazon. Location they have mentioned as Bangalore, Hyderabad, Maharashtra, Chennai, Delhi. This is an entry-level full-time software engineering role, ideal for fresher graduates who want to build large-scale technology products and service at Amazon. Let's move on to the role and responsibilities, where they have mentioned collaborate with cross-disciplinary Amazons to design and build innovative product and services using cutting-edge technology to solve real-world problems with impact across millions of users. Build distributed systems that are scalable, reliable, low cost, and easy to manage. Translate boundary defined problems into concentric software solution. Now let's move on to the required technical skills and qualification. Bachelor degree or higher in computer science, computer engineering, or a related field. Strong computer science fundamentals including data structures algorithm, object-oriented design, problem solving, and complexity analysis. Proficient in least one program languages like C or C++, Python, Java, or Perl. Good analytical skills and the ability to handle problems. Preferred but not mandatory. Previous technical internship experience, experience with distributed systems, multi-tried services, relational databases, knowledge of optimization methods and advantage algorithm. Who can apply for this job? 2026 batch graduate or recent graduates in CS, CE related engineering fields. There is no mandatory of work experience required. How to stand out and prepare? You should be master DSA, data structures and algorithm. This is a critical for interviews. Build small projects and get hand-on coding experience in Python, Java, C++. Practice system design fundamentals and distributed computing basics. Prepare for behavior and leadership qualities principal questionings. Amazon values customer obedience, ownership, and bias for action. Let's move on and conclude this video. And that's your complete breakdown of Amazon Software Development Engineer Role 1 for fresher. Don't forget to share with your friends.